My God. I'll see you manana, maybe. For sure. I'll be here. I'll see you. Taking.
If p equals 1/4, what is the smallest and that satisfies them? What?
25. Hang on. Let me double check that. So it should be. What is it?
How do you do this one?
Yeah, I forgot to do that one. Is there a specific calculation?
So okay. So what? I was just doing the homework. I was working on the homework.
Yeah.
Yes, Gammon. So you need.
It's 1 divided by 4, right? And then.
So 1 divided by 4 is that would be. Hang on. What's that?
0.25.
Okay. So you need to have. So it's what is it? It's 0.25 is p. So for n, you need to make that number 0.25 bigger than 10.
Yeah.
So I think it needs to be like 40.
That's what I was just gonna say. That's the answer I got was 40.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So okay, so you see how
how to do that, but that's what I got.
That is, yeah.
So
if you
41
roll back up that information, it says NP is greater than or equal to 10.
Yeah.
That's how we determine if P hat is normally distributed. And so what you do is find a number for n that will make P
larger
than
larger than 10. Yeah.
Equal to 10 or larger. So the bare minimum is 40.
40, okay. I was just wondering if it was 40 to 41.
Yeah. No, it should just be 40. Using the phone.
Oh yeah, duh. Smallest and it satisfies the requirement. Okay, that makes sense.
Okay.
Do you guys get 1 for that? 0.1?
Let me divide it.
I got 0.017.
0.017?
Yeah, because P. Oh wait, hang on.
Wait, on 7 or on 8?
8.
Sorry, 8.
Okay, yeah.
I could be wrong. Hang on.
Still got mine in.
I read the formula is P.
Yeah, I got 0.1.
Yeah, that's what I got. 1.
Okay,
0.1.
I did this a while ago, so I'm still a little. How do we get? What's that equation for that one again?
Yeah, it's the square root of the population times 1 minus the population divided by
standard deviation. It's asking for the standard deviation.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Okay, I did the wrong equation. Okay, that's why.
Okay.
So it was 0.1.
0.1.
No, hang on. That's question 9 is asking for the standard deviation. It's asking for the mean.
Oh, you are right. You're right.
Wait, so wouldn't A be the same way we did number 7?
Oh, so the mean clearly.
Oh,
Sorry, I was dumb. Wait, so the mean.
So P is always X. I thought it was X.
So would it just be 0.4?
P is X divided by N, right?
Yeah, P is X divided by N. But hang on.
I think it is 0.4.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's 0.4. That's why I thought I was being dumb.
Yeah.
I remember this in the homework.
That would make sense.
What's our hold on, what's our X here? Where'd you guys get X from? I know the formula.
We don't have X. That's why it's.
We don't have X with P.
Right.
So it's 0.4.
Yeah, it should be 0.4.
Oh, I see. So we do it backwards. I get it.
Yeah. Yeah, because the mean. Yeah, that's right. That's right. 0.1.
Wait. Yeah, 0.4, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, batting average is
300. We want to determine probability she will get more than 3 hits in her next.
So 35 divided by 100.
Uh, 0.35, is that right?
I'm still doing it. 1 sec.
That's the average. The standard deviation.
It's asking for P, isn't it?
Standard deviation, I got 0.046.
I'm trying to pull up my Excel right now so I can do that.
What did you guys get for 10.35?
No,
Yeah.
0.05. Point for 10?
For 10.
0.35, right? Or 0.05? I'm confused.
0.35.
Yeah, okay, cool. So yeah, and then in 11 I got
0.05?
0.046.
Oh, crap.
0.046.
Yeah, 0.046, yeah.
That's what I got.
Wait, what did you guys get for 9?
9.1?
Yeah.
0.1.
Okay, just making sure.
Okay, and these scores, let me put this into the applet.
Yeah.
The batting average, what does the question say? More than 35.
Okay, so
So shade above it.
and then how do we get the Z-score again?
I thought it was a formula, not the applet.
Yeah, the Z-score, I already got the Z-score.
Yeah.
How do we get that?
Oh, okay, sorry. The Z-score is so it's the it's the, what's it called? P-hat or whatever that's called. The proportion divided minus the population divided by the standard deviation equation that we did.
Okay, so it's the p-hat minus the population divided by the standard deviation?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, so
Hold on, let me get this.
Yeah, and that's how I got 0.046. I mean, not that, sorry. That's how I got the Z-score, which I'm trying to look at right now, which is 1.091.
okay.
But I got at least.
I need to go through my
Let me
equations.
plug it in because I'm not getting that. Did everyone else get that?
I'm trying to plug it in right now.
What did you get for the Z-score?
1.091.
I got 8.7. So I did something wrong. I did something different. Hang on. So let's double. So your p-hat was 0.35. Your standard deviation of p-hat is 0.046.
Yep.
And then your Z-score is different from mine. Okay.
Yeah. Let me see if my equation still stayed the same. 1 second. Yeah. I mean,
Well,
I made this little thing on Excel for myself during the lesson. So.
Oh, okay. I did it wrong. Well,
I think
I guess I shouldn't. No, I shouldn't have done it wrong because the standard deviation would have been the
Can
same.
anyone get what he got or get what I got? I'm just curious. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know.
no, I'm trying to figure out what because it's supposed to be p-hat and then the p, right? P-hat minus.
Yeah, so
Is that right?
it's p-hat minus population divided by standard deviation.
Our population is
0.3.
0.3, right?
Yeah,
Hold on,
so
let me-
30%.
So I got 1.08.
How are we all getting
What
different
did
answers?
you
Wait, what did you get, Diogenes?
1.087.
That's what I got.
Yeah, that's what I got.
In the world. What did you guys get?
1.087.
Yeah,
What did I do wrong?
probably nothing. That seems pretty close. It's one of those.
What did you get, Graham?
1.091.
Yeah,
Maybe
All right.
maybe the rounding on the p-hat, the population or something else.
I don't know. Okay. Let's just go to the next one, I guess. And then we use the applet, right?
yeah.
Okay,
I got
so
0.138, but that's different than your guys because you guys got different.
okay, let me pull up the applet. And because we're going, what was the question again?
all
Why
the-
are they-
It's just put in your z-score into it, and then it's gonna
Yeah.
be you'll get more than 35 hits, so it's gonna be on the right side, shaded on the right side.
Yeah. So I got 0.3139. If
They
you
got
round.
point
Yeah, if you round.
138, so yeah.
Wait,
I
what?
got one. Yeah, I got one. I got 0.1385. So we're super close.
Yeah, but the thing is, it's because my z-score is different than yours. I don't know why, but I'm just gonna go with it. If I get it wrong, then I'll just, I guess, go back.
Hey, just to be sure, you got 0.138, right?
I
That's
got.
what I got.
I got 0.1385. So I'm going to round mine up to 0.139.
Yeah, same here. I'm gonna do that.
Okay.
So we're at 14 now, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Just making sure.
So I got 0.011.
I don't have it. I don't have an Excel, so you gotta give me a minute.
Oh, sorry.
No, you're good, man.
Hey,
Uh,
what? Graham, what did you get?
1 second. I'm redoing it again because I just realized I did something wrong.
Okay, because I didn't get what you got. I got 0.011.
That's what he said.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Yeah.
So I guess I did get the same thing as you.
Yeah. Yeah, I still got the same one, 0.011.
Okay, that's what I got.
That's good. That one worked, I guess. I don't know what happened in the last one. And then for the z-score,
Okay, so clear. So
so are you guys putting in as the proportions 50%?
What are you talking about?
For the p hat, are you putting in 50% for the equation?
You know, I'm not sure. Where are
0.5?
you getting-
okay, so the
I'm just curious. I don't know. That's why I'm asking.
What? Where are you getting the? I think I'm just confused on where we're getting that p hat from.
So it
It's
says
0.0.
less than 50% of the votes on the question. So that's what I was wondering. Is that the p hat?
we want to determine the probability that the results of the survey will suggest the candidate is losing this election, getting less than 50% of the votes. So yeah, so we want to do 50. Would be
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Exactly. Okay. That's what I thought.
that X. So p hat would equal 50 divided by right. 50 would 50% be the p hat or would it be the X?
That's what I was asking. I'm not sure.
I don't know.
That's my question because I'm not sure. That's what I was asking you guys because let me see if I can find something in the reading.
That's what I'm doing right now.
Because if it is 50.5, I do have the z-score, but if it's X, then
It can't be negative, can it?
yeah, I can because you can put a negative z-score onto your applet.
Yeah.
Just on the left side.
Because hold on, I have this wrong.
Because did you get a negative z-score if you put 50%? Because I got negative 1.790.
No. So to get the p score is x divided by n, right? The p hat.
Yeah.
It would be 50 divided by, yeah.
Oh, the thing is I put 0.5 on there. And then the p hat.
It would be 0.025.
Yeah, that's what I'm getting now.
And that gives me a huge z-score. I don't know about that.
Yeah, it gives me negative 0.952.
For a z-score?
Yeah.
Didn't give me that.
P. So you got your p hat as 0.025, right?
Yeah, let me do it on the
And you-
side. See if I can figure this out. 1 second.
Hold on, mine's wrong.
Yeah, because I got negative 44.3096 if I did 0.025.
What did you have as your standard? What's our standard deviation? 0.011.
It's 0.011.
And then our p is 0.52, right? Our population, that's what I have wrong. It's 2,000.
0.52.
No, I'm doing something wrong. I can't get that answer.
Yeah, I'm trying to look it up on the book as well to see what I'm missing.
I'm pretty sure it's 50%. That's my guess. Because when I did the x I divided 0.5 divided by 2,000. It gave me 0.025. And then that gave me a z-score of like negative 44 point something. That's not right.
Let me ask you this again, Graham. So for your p hat for the z-score, you have 0.025, right?
So when I did that, it gave me a crazy z-score. So I don't know if that's true. That's what I'm saying.
That's what you're saying. Yeah, because that one's huge.
Yeah, I'm thinking it's just 0.5.
Wait, what is your standard deviation?
0.52.
No.
I mean, not standard deviation. Sorry, 0.011. Sorry, they're trying to do
Okay, so if you put that into the equation, oh, maybe I'm doing this wrong.
There's just so many formulas to memorize.
What's your
Yeah,
Z-
seriously.
So I agree. The only thing that really makes sense to me is 0.8. I mean, negative 1.818.
Yeah. So I got negative 1.790. So that's pretty dang close. So
I don't know, guys. I'm still not getting either one of those, but we could just move on because I don't know what I'm doing wrong.
And then what does that question say? So I know which side the shade.
shade, it says less than 50%. So shade the left side.
Yeah.
Okay. The answer I got was 0.035. If you round it. Yeah.
0.037. So yeah, I don't even know if mine's right. I just did mine before, and I don't know. I don't know why my equations are coming out different than your guys's.
Hey, wait. So you got 0.035 for 16?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is
Yeah, I put 0.0345, so I rounded the 4 up to 5.
Yeah.
So if you use 50%, how are you getting something different from me, Graham?
I don't know. That's why I'm like,
I wonder
I
if
don't know.
is it your like Excel, the way you put it in Excel?
I'm gonna do it on the side, just a separate equation from the thing I created when I was doing the homework.
Mhm.
I mean, doing the
Hey,
preparation
Zach,
by myself. So let me just 1 second. Let me do it on the side and see what I get.
while he does it on the side, Zach, can you tell me what you used for? What was your number for p hat? 0.5, right?
So I did 0.5, 0.5 divided by 2,000, which is 0.25.
Uh-huh.
No, I take it back. For p hat, I just put 0.5.
0.5, right? Yeah.
Yeah, because when I did, yeah, pretty much it.
And what did you put for your p or your population? 2,000, right?
I missed that. I'm gonna recheck what I was thinking.
Well, I'm still getting the same answer on the side.
Because the answer I get with the numbers you guys are using, it's crazy negative.
And making sure you put 0.2. Are you sure you're making 0.2? I mean 528 or whatever it is.
Are you doing it in Excel?
I am.
Are you making sure you're doing parentheses around certain equations so that it doesn't because you have to make sure there's parentheses a lot in Excel to get the right answer.
Yeah, I did. Well, I'm using the same equation that I used earlier to get the earlier z-score, and that worked out. So I just think I'm inputting something wrong.
Oh.
then their standard deviation is 11 or 0.011.
Yeah, 'cause-
Yeah, so the the hat is 0.5, population is 0.52, and N is 2000. Standard deviation is 0.011.
I'm gonna submit mine and see what I got.
Yeah, well, all of us should submit then. But
Yeah.
Well, no, what I'm saying is
It's not one of their permanent sets. Like,
so I still got 100, and I still did the different answers than you guys that I got. So I think it was anything close.
I'm gonna try to submit, see what I get.
So yeah, Zach, I don't know what was going on, but our answers, I guess, were close. So
Yeah, because I got 102. I know different answers than you.
that's really weird. Whatever.
Yeah. What are we doing different? That's my main question.
Well, I literally, so when I was doing the homework, not the homework, the whatever preparation
Yeah.
stuff, okay, I literally just made this little Excel sheet thing for me, so I can just plug in the population and then the sample. So then it will just do it for me, so I don't have to do it every single time.
I did the same thing as I usually do, but I don't know what's
Yeah,
not
that's
working
why
out
I
today.
did it, because I remember you did that all the time, so I thought it'd be easier for me.
It makes it a lot easier, doesn't it?
Yeah, but yeah, so I don't know what I'm doing wrong. When I click into my equation that I created, everything looks good. So I don't know. I mean, as long as I got it right, I guess. I don't know.
Yeah, because I got 100% also on it.
Yeah.
Weird.
All right, guys, sounds good.
So do we need to talk about the group project?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, Chrissy.
Hi, guys. Sounds like you did a good job on your quiz.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Oh, you've been here.
Do you guys have any questions?
Oh,
I know.
She sneaked up on us.
Nothing late.
No, that's not a problem. Yeah, do we
Do you have any
guys have any
questions? I don't have any.
Not pretty simple
Oh,
concept.
yeah, wait. Do you know what was the 5 most missed questions on the test?
Oh, yes, that's a good
I-
question.
Do not, but I can look it up.
Is there a way for us to check what our grades are or what you missed?
I don't think so.
Dang
If you
it.
email me, I can look back at it and I can email you concepts that you missed
Okay.
from each question.
Okay.
I can do that for you, but they just don't want us to like go and release the test
That's
to
interesting.
people. So, yep. But yeah,
My
you guys can shoot me an email.
Okay. Yeah. My questions more revolve around this group project. Like it's a little fuzzy to me. What we're exactly supposed to do.
So one group that I know did, like they counted the number of raisins in Raisin Bran, and like they made a prediction on what they thought it was going to be, and then each member of the group got a box of Raisin Bran and counted the raisins to see if it was like more like towards what you were thinking, or if each box had like around the same amount, or something like that. My group, when I did it, we counted the number of people who had headphones that were listening to music as they crossed a crosswalk in Rexburg. So you guys can get creative and do whatever you want.
So there's 5 steps, right? And
7.
all
Isn't there?
there,
Well, like,
oh, there is?
for the
Well, there's
data,
5 steps that we divided between each other, right?
something like that.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at.
I'm pulling it
Okay.
back
Yeah,
up.
you like You like do all of the research together, and then you can divide who does like what section on like the paper part.
Yeah.
And
And
what-
so
And
is the,
like
is the
that.
design the study? So the first one is that. When does that due? The first part of it.
It should have a due date on it. Let me see.
Yeah, we're supposed to get like.
there's supposed to be there's a quiz on it, isn't there?
Yeah, this week.
I
So that's
think
what
it's only an assignment that you turn in.
Well, there's a little quiz, but I think it's. I would assume it's like a little simple quiz, like did you guys figure out a study or something along those lines.
okay.
Well, that's what I would assume. I'm not the DA, obviously.
Probably. Yeah, the design the study is due March 10th.
Okay, so the end of this week.
So that's the quiz.
That's the assignment. That's when the assignment's due.
So,
Let me
yeah,
look at
one
the
of us, when
quiz.
we assign who does what, needs to turn it in by the end of this week.
Mhm.
All right, so I'm looking at it right now. What do you guys think of any good ideas are for it that we could do? How many Lucky Charms are in a Lucky Charms box? Because I'm actually curious, because I feel like I get ripped off a lot.
How many marshmallows in the Lucky Charms box are left after you buy it and bring it home and leave it in the pantry for 24 hours? The answer is zero. Zero.
In my house are gone.
Yeah, mine too. Totally gone. Or how much of the cereal pieces are left after that?
Marshmallows are
Every
gone.
one of them. Yeah, marshmallows gone, cereal all intact.
No, but I'm being serious. I think it'd be good to do one on the marshmallows, because not that they'll be gone, but just how many are in a box, because I feel like I honestly get ripped off a lot of the time.
My kids would love it because I don't buy that at all.
They'll be super
Kids
happy.
would lose their minds if I showed up with a Costco-sized box of Lucky Charms.
I'm good with whatever.
Kids, I buy
Then
it.
you got to put your fingers all over it and count all the marshmallows.
I think it's
Okay, I'll just eat them while I'm counting.
it's a fun idea. It's okay. My kids eat it off the floor.
Oh, that's funny.
Actually, one of my kids will eat out of the trash. He's one. He loves to dig in the trash and eat food.
Why? That is gross.
So I'm telling you, my fingers are better than that.
All right.
This is dedication, Graham. That's all that is. It's a
Yep.
damn purpose right there.
Yeah, my baby's only 9 months, so I'm okay so far.
But I think it's,
Trash
Let's-
real soon. Then.
let's do that. It's fun. I can count with my 3-year-old. He might like.
Yeah, that'd be a good one.
Because we could do it with the kids too.
Yeah, that works.
Yeah.
Now, how many boxes do we need to have a specific
got a
number of
good
boxes
idea.
we need to buy? So we're gonna need to. I say we should make sure we buy the same type of obviously boxes,
Same size box.
same size. We can go small, or we can go large. Like
Hey, actually, what I just thought my wife's gonna get mad at this. She's not like it when I bring sweet.
So like and everything.
Yeah, that's fine. So let's get the same size box. Let's get the cheapest box, guys. The smallest one, like the.
Okay, well, which one is that? Let's look it up.
Hold on, I'll look it up right now. I'm looking at Walmart.
Okay.
Perfect.
no, you look at Walmart, look at I have Walgreens that just popped up. I'm just trying to see. So I have I see 11.5.
Ounce box.
Yeah, 11.5 ounces. I would assume that's pretty small. So I would assume that's what we're looking at.
5?
I don't know where you're buying at, but they
Okay.
don't sell that around here. 16 ounces is the one I can get. Oh no, never mind. I found 11.5.
0.5 out of Walgreens. I see it.
Okay.
Yeah, I got it. 11.5.
Only $3.
Yeah, it's so how many boxes should we so there's 5. So we each buy 2 boxes. Yeah, it's 10 samples.
Yeah,
Sounds
found
good.
that.
10 samples. You can do a variety, yeah. And then
Okay.
Wait, so I live in Colorado. We got a few in Idaho, one in Arizona, 2 in Utah.
I'm in Utah.
How
So
many?
2 in Utah.
We're in Utah.
KJ, you're in Utah?
Mm-hmm.
We're in Utah.
Bountiful area.
Yes, we got
Yeah,
3
I'm
in
in-
Utah, 1 in Arizona, 1 in Colorado. Okay, so like the semi. Okay. Well, the West, the Western United States. That's what classified.
Yeah, that's fine with me.
Okay.
Now, now we just need to assign who does what. Who's cool with doing the design the study this week?
Because I think you're gonna have to submit it to the professor and let him know what we're trying to do.
Oh, really? When?
I think
where do we do that though?
I think that's the actual.
I think the
because
designer
you download a document, and
Yeah, I'm
then
downloading it right now.
you download the doc. You download a document. You fill it out. Do we all have to fill that out?
I
Or
think
is that
we all
just-
have to though.
Okay, wait, are you downloading this design the study document?
Yeah.
Yeah. What,
Yeah.
Kristen? Do we all have to fill that out, or is that just one? Or can like one person?
No, just one person can turn it in. Like my group, we all put it on a Google. Us could edit it and have access to it, and then one person turns it in. The professor will review it, and then he'll say if there are any needed changes, and then you might have to resubmit it if he says to change something, and then you start your study.
Okay, so we need to have a completed like passed off design study by Saturday or whatever it is.
Guys, this is
Right.
this is
By March.
March 10th. Yes, that's Saturday. Okay. So who wants to submit that then?
do you want I can do you want to put it all up so we can it's pretty simple. I guess we don't all need to do it. Never mind.
Well, I'm looking at the questions. Do we have to answer all those questions then?
Yeah, there's
would-
19 or no 18 questions.
Yeah.
17.
So is that going to be like? So it's just going to be one person doing it, right? Or what?
Yeah, that's what I think.
Well, it just says like, I mean, question 18, for example, says like each group member must sign below. Can we just do that for each other?
Or how about I can download it and throw it on a Google Doc and just send it out to everyone and we can all fill it out.
Okay.
Let's do that. And then I can download it and turn it in.
Okay, so you'll do the design of study. Hey, let's just knock out who's going to do which section.
I'll do step 4 if you guys are cool with that.
Wait, say that again?
I said I'll do step 4 if you guys are cool with that.
Okay.
Where
I'll,
are you-
Step
I'll do
5,
that-
sorry. Well, step 5, step 4, it says both on there. I don't know what the heck. The PowerPoint.
Okay.
Yeah, sounds good.
Alright.
So I'm turning one. There's 5. There's enough of us. So yeah.
No,
I'll
there's
turn-
not. Step 5, everyone does. So if 2 people do the writing,
Oh, really? Is that what it is? We have to divide?
Yes.
Okay, that's fine.
no, because step 5 is fill out groups. So Diogenes, you'll do you'll be primarily responsible for step 1.
Okay.
Graham, I can help you with the PowerPoint presentation.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, and then if KG Walker, whatever you guys want to do.
Whatever.
I can do step 3. I mean, I don't know what inference means, but I'll do it.
The thing is, on any of these guys, if any of you need help or you don't know what you're doing, like, we'll help you. It's we're not just gonna like you guys and then say, hey, you do it. Like, we'll help you guys.
Okay. Yeah, like I said, I'll do 3. I don't know what I'll figure it out, but yeah.
It's in the first lesson. It explains all of it. The first lesson they gave us. So
Okay.
All right.
All right, guys. Sounds good. And then yeah, I'm game for helping out. Anything else too?
Yeah.
Okay, let's just email each other back and forth if we have questions.
Unless it's hard, then don't ask me. All right, guys, we're good to go then. I'll throw this up. I'll send a link and then I'll turn it in. It's due on the 10th. So Friday's the deadline for all of us to add stuff. If you guys don't add, then I'll just add everything and finish it and turn it in. So
Okay.
well, yeah, we'll look through it, but sounds good.
nice knowing you.
Cool, guys. We'll see you. Wait, we're not meeting this week again, are we?
We are.
Thursday, yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Cool. All right, well, I'll see you guys.
Wait, do we have to meet on Thursday? I don't think we do. Do we? We don't have a quiz.
We don't?
Uh-uh.
I assumed we did.
We have a group meeting quiz.
Oh, is there?
We don't have to meet with
Yeah.
them. Wait.
Yeah,
We do.
Let's just meet. Sounds good.
Yeah,
Yeah,
let's,
Okay.
Well, we'll touch base again. You know.
Sounds good.
All right.
I got you.
See you guys.
Okay, bye, guys. Thank
Okay.
you, TA.
Yeah, it's good to meet you guys.
Okay. Bye.
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 Bye.